Do you struggle to put your lavalier microphone on your shirt? Well, in this video, we are going to eliminate that obstacle once and for all. I'm Amanda Horvath, and I help eliminate the obstacles to getting you sitting where I'm sitting right now, in front of the camera, sharing your message with the world. So if you're ready to start that video show you've been dreaming about, then be sure to subscribe and click the bell to be notified every time I release a new video. So let's start at the very beginning. When you first get your microphone, it's going to look like this, and you need to assemble it. So what you're going to do, you're going to take this first, and you're going to grab this guy here, put it on that, so you see how that kind of slides in. And when you let go, it's tight. And each clip is going to look different, but pretty much all of the lavaliers are going to have these three parts. Then you have this section that it just slides right on the top there. Then you need to actually put it onto your shirt. So there's a different loop technique that you can use to ensure that it is sitting straight up on your shirt, not upside down, not sideways or anything like that. So here's how you do that. Quick timeout. If you want a full step-by-step of what gear to buy, how to set up your gear, and all the things related to production so you're not ripping your hair out trying to figure it out yourself, then I will link to my online course, Launch with Video, in the description below. It is truly the fastest way to produce weekly videos in 1 day per week, and it will save you tons of time from trying to figure it out yourself. So click on through in that link, and with that, we'll get back to the video. So there's several different ways that you can do this. One way is to loop these in both sides like that. But the problem with this is that since both are in the microphone, they're coming, or in the clip, they're coming down. If I was to pull on this, they come right out. So an alternative and a better option is to leave one side of the loop out. So you're gonna loop it like that. You're gonna leave one side out of the clip and one side in. So we're gonna put one side of the loop in the clip, and then we can pull down and it won't actually come out and the microphone will stay straight. So you can clip it on your shirt like that, and it should look good. And I like this because it's hidden behind the microphone itself. One thing I want to point out is that you can always flip this to the other side. So let's say you have a collared shirt that needs to go on the other side. You can take this clip off and just turn it and put it on the other side like that. So you can see it's now on the other side. And then you just put this little guy back on the top like that. So there you go. Now you know how to pin your microphone on your shirts. If this video is helpful, please be sure to click like, drop a comment below with any questions that you have left, and I will put several videos on the screen here for some videos that you might watch next, like what is the best microphone that I need?